How to log in a Snapchat account. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Rose and I'll walk you through how to sign in or log in into your Snapchat account. So watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First thing first, make sure to download and install a Snapchat application from Play Store or App Store and make sure it is up to date. Now tap to launch a Snapchat application. You will land on the section where if you haven't created account yet, tap sign up button and follow the prompts to create your account. If you already have an account and want to log in, tap login at bottom right corner of your screen and enter your credentials. You can even use your username, email or phone number instead to log in and the password. So let's enter all the credentials and tap login. Now you will land on this page where you can easily allow Snapchat to access your camera and local storage to take photos and videos to take screenshots and more. So tap turn on button and tap allow. Tap while using the app and grant all the permissions. Now you have successfully come across the camera roll section. So in this way you can sign in or log in into a Snapchat account. So I hope this guide worked, and if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.